A single sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, blasting thousands of tiny droplets into the air, each one a potential messenger of germs. Imagine the sheer velocity, faster than most cars on the highway, propelling these microscopic particles across a room in an instant. Within those droplets, bacteria and viruses hitch a ride, ready to spread to the next unsuspecting person. The speed and spread are so intense that it's like a mini biological explosion, transforming your everyday sneeze into a high-speed germ catapult. This rapid dispersal is why covering your mouth isn't just polite, it's crucial for preventing the spread of illness.